Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to this channel, welcome back. Hi, my name is Divani Goldie, formerly known as Divani the Baba. So today's video is basically just like, you know, a regular type of vlog, and I'm actually gonna unbox with you guys and show you what I got from Takealot. So it's about to be an exciting vlog. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I got stuff from Takealot and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Let's start unboxing. Okay, got it. I'm not so dumb after all. Okay, guys, do you cut it from here? Oh, is that the box or the tape? Okay, I feel like this is upside down, but as long as it's opening, then I'm happy. Item number one, we've got my tripod. So it's nice and tidy, nice and cute and everything. This is my tripod. Next we got, so how do I open this box? This way. And next we've got my power bank. Yeah, it's pretty thick. I needed this. Anyways, yeah, this is my power bank. Now for the big box. Okay, we've got my ring lights. Pim, finally. So we have my ring lights, we have this thingamabobby, we have the most heaviest item, the tripod stand. Also gonna unbox this. We have the tripod stand thingy, right? And that's it. So that's what I got, and yeah, that's what I got from Takealot. Then I'll show you what I got from Mr Price when my stuff comes. Anyway, so now I'm gonna set up the ring lights and then test it out. I'm confused. Does this thing spray it? I'm scared to break it. Okay, I think that's how it's supposed to be. And yay! I managed to set it up. I don't know if I did things wrong because there's like 3 pieces missing. I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm gonna plug it now and see how it looks. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is ours. This is ours. I'm so excited. This is ours from now on. Okay, I'm so happy. Good morning, guys. So today I got one of my packages and I'm shooting from this angle because there's some stuff in my room that needs to be organized, so I'm not trying to show you guys that yet. I'm gonna show you what I got delivered from Mr. Price. So it came in this package. I think it took 5 days, 4 days, 5 days, 5 to 4 days. But anyways, yeah, so it just got delivered this morning, so let's open it. I got this tote bag and it has the letter D for Divani Gold D. Hey, so this is how it looks. This is how big it looks. Right? I love it. It's huge. I love it. Okay, so that's literally everything that I got today from Mr. Price, and it got delivered today, thankfully. And I'm still gonna get more stuff, but like later on, and I'll show you guys what I get.